not even yet been spoken to by CMH. So,
pardon?
He's not even had the interview yet with CMH. So, I'm going to keep that in mind.
Okay.
Your Honor, good morning,
Yes.
sir.
Yes,
I've been just so you know, I've been requesting to speak with someone, and I've sent numerous letters. I've called the public defender's office to talk to an attorney about questions I have relating to this competency, why it was even ordered in the first place. I've requested copies of the motions as to why I was even sent a motion to have me for a competency, and no one's answering me, no one's talking to me. And personally, I don't even believe that I should be going to forensics, sir. I mean, if there's a hearing that we can have, that a lawyer can talk to me. I've been trying to talk to a lawyer for 5 months now, and I've been rejected every time. I've been laughed at in my face by other attorneys when they've seen me in the courtroom about this violation for talking to my girl on the phone. They literally laughed in my face when I asked them questions. The lawyer who asked me, who put in the motion for competency, when I asked him about evidence in the case, his exact words to me, Your Honor, were, quote, "I am not going to do anything you ask me to do," unquote. And I had some choice words for him. We came into the court. He filed a motion for competency against me. Why am I sitting here 5 months later?
It's not, sir.
I mean, I understand, Your Honor.
I was not part of the conversation, but I would say that, first of all, a competency is not filed against you.
I understand that, sir.
Okay, so.
But why am I being denied an opportunity to speak to a lawyer about the competency issue and about the motion in the first place? They're telling me that they can't even talk to me.
I don't think that they would have said that.
Your Honor, I've called the public defense. Pardon my interruption.
Go ahead. What were you going to say?
I'm sorry, sir.
What were you going to say? Go ahead.
I've called the public defender's office 3 times. They've told me that no lawyer will talk to me. I've sent 4 or 5 letters to the public defender's office requesting to talk to an attorney specifically about this competency motion and examination that I had questions, and no one responds to me.
Okay, so Mr. Brown, I'm going to set these dates. You'll make sure that somebody gets down and talks to him about this.
Absolutely.
So he has an understanding as to why it's proceeding in that way.
Absolutely. We will make
All
sure.
right. So I'm setting it for the 26th. And then September 26th, 9 a.m. That date, so that you understand, sir, if we get a report, like if we talk to you, we get a report, that date gets moved up. So things will happen a lot faster once that occurs. Got
I
it?
appreciate you, Your Honor, and I'm not trying to be difficult. I've
No,
been laying up here for 5 months, and I'm frustrated.
I'm not thinking that you're trying to be difficult. You had some questions. Some of them I can't answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what I've asked Mr. Brown is to make sure that somebody gets down and talks to you, kind of explain this whole process.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
I was wondering if you could tell me what the status of his phone privileges are.
Alexander's all I know.
Status of his phone privileges.
His name when I got up and left. That's
I do
Alexander.
not see an order. Yes, I do. On case. Right. I don't have my date. On June 21st, 2024, his phone privileges were revoked pending a hearing.
Okay. I will reach back out to the jail and make sure that they're in that order. My understanding is that his calls were continuing to the victim through at least June 26th. So I'm concerned.
Well, let me put it this way. I signed the order from June 21st. I can see that it was stamped in June 24th. And I would suspect that the jail has done something only because then we're talking 2 days later.
Okay.
So.
Thank you.
Welcome. All right, bond will continue. Thank you.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for sentencing. We have reviewed the pre-sentence investigation report and have no material changes, additions, or deletions. And we did review the recommendation and we ask that you adopt it. I will say Ms. Smith has shown an incredible amount of remorse for her actions in this case. We sat in that office next door and she was clearly emotional. Clearly, this has affected her every day since this happened. I think she'll be very successful on probation and you will not see her again. out of a lot of defendants, she has shown that I've worked with, she's shown an incredible amount of remorse for this horrible mistake.
Ma'am, anything you want to tell me before I impose sentence?
Yeah, I just wanted to apologize to the victim and thank the court for his mercy. That's it.
I remember taking your plea.
Please. Me too. Me too.
And what was clear to me after that plea is we were going through it.
It's okay. I'm gonna hear it go. I'm sorry, I don't.
There is doubt in my mind that you had remorse. And I think at your very core, the part that probably hurt you, and you can correct me if I'm wrong, but is you weren't raised this way. This was not you.
At all.
And you knew it.
I know it.
Yeah. And probably at the time that it was going on, you knew. And then it all kind of caught up and you had to face it. But I will tell you that your reaction to the court while I was taking the plea, because the other thing about it is, as I was taking the plea, the only way I can describe it is it hurt. Right?
It did. It does.
Yeah.
It still does.
So what Miss Perrony says about sitting in the office talking to you, I don't doubt that one bit. All right. But here's the thing, Miss Smith. Everybody in life does things. And at some point do things in one way or another that is quite frankly not what we were raised to do, not what anybody ever taught us in any way we should do. We just, for whatever reason, you almost think you just lost your mind.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, temporary insanity.
Almost, yep. And then reality hits and you really can't explain why you did it. You just, because you know you're better than that.
I'd say stupidity. That's all I can say. It's stupidity. It's okay.
Maybe for that brief moment, I don't see you. I went through this report and everything. I don't see you as stupid at all. I just think stuff happens. That's the way I look. All right, Ms. Polero, you've risen.
Yes, Your Honor. I just wanted to advise the court. I know when I completed the PSI with Ms. Smith, she had indicated that her lease is up in October.
Her what? Her lease?
Her lease
Yeah.
is up in October. Her daughter has moved to Texas and she's wanting permission from the court for her to be able to move once her lease is up.
Where is she moving to?
Texas.
Yeah,
Moving to Texas?
yeah, she had accepted to Baylor for occupational school there. My family's,
That's your daughter?
it's my baby.
Congratulations, Mom.
Thank you. Thank you. So I just want to, my lease is up. I just want to go and make housing and be there for her.
Ms. Smith moved here
For her.
because she was going to
U of
Michigan.
M.
And so
She
Where did you
graduated
move from?
from Detroit.
Oh, okay, well.
Yeah.
That's like
Still,
down the road. That's,
Ipsy, I don't know anybody up here. I'm here alone now, me and my dog.
it's
know.
Detroit. It's right down the street.
Yeah,
It's not, it's not like,
I don't,
okay, hold on. Ms. Smith, when you go to Baylor, when you go down to Texas,
yeah,
that's a move.
I know,
Right?
yeah, but I'll be close.
Where you move? Detroit. Wait, really?
That's far.
Where?
Detroit from Ipsy.
Detroit.
Man, I don't do that freeway.
It's like 45 miles.
That's a long way.
Okay. How far is it to Texas, to Baylor?
18 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I won't be coming back. I promise.
Why?
I'll fly. I've had enough.
Are you,
Again, I'm
you're
just
going to drive down there?
Yeah, I have to take my stuff.
Okay.
And the dog.
And the
Okay,
dog.
here's the only other thing. You like hot?
I do.
Do you?
It's good for you. I need it, vitamin D.
That's some serious hot.
It is.
No, that's serious hot.
It's okay. It's okay. Better than what?
She kind of sound bitter.
I
What?
just want to move forward. Michigan, I'm over. I don't,
What? She's now criticizing the Great Mitten to the north,
I'm sorry.
my home state,
Mine's too.
my.
Born and raised, but I'm over it. Thank you, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
I feel insulted.
Oh, don't.
No, I feel insulted. You know, I was going to change this recommendation.
I'm like, please,
but
please.
I was changing, then now I'm headed the other way.
I know, right? I love Michigan. I love I do.
Okay, now this is better. This is more like it. I don't know about the Baylor Bears.
You know about the Bears?
The Baylor Bears?
What do you know? You do know.
I know about Baylor. Baylor has a very good softball team. They just can't. Actually, they did beat Oklahoma, but then something happened. I don't know.
Well, she's going for occupational therapy. She was accepted. She got her letter. She starts January 24th.
That's beautiful.
I know, right?
All right.
Here I am in court.
What? And here you are in court?
Yes.
Rectifying what you've done.
Yes.
And that's okay,
Okay.
right?
Yes.
It's okay.
Okay.
And so, and you know, you could sit up there and you could say, yeah, this was stupid, this was whatever. But apparently, if your daughter's enrolling at Baylor, you did something right,
It's something right. Thank you.
right?
Yes. That I know.
Okay.
That I know.
And her daughter gave her a talking to, didn't she?
Yeah. Yeah. She can't wait till I leave here. She's like, call me when you get out of court.
Okay. She didn't say it all like that.
She did.
Wow. I hope her daughter's watching because I want her daughter to
She's been watching.
how you scrunched up your face
Well,
like
she
that
knows.
about your daughter.
That's how she talks.
That is not how she. I cannot believe
With this
that.
situation, yes, it is. She's just disappointed as much as I am in myself.
Yes,
And she's,
but still loves you.
oh, of course. Of course.
So when you said you were going down, like, okay, I just got to know this.
Mhm.
Mom, I'm going off to college. Oh, I'll come with you. What was her reaction?
Really? Yeah, because I don't want you to be up there by yourself. So we'll just move that way. And that's what I did. I got an apartment and stay here 2 years. And she graduated. She's gone. And I'm
Your daughter is a better person than me.
she's
Because I love my mom, but my mom told me I'm coming with you. I
no.
said,
But
oh, that's not
my
it.
buddy.
I'd transfer school. Say, yeah, I'm at Maryland. I'll be down in Alabama someplace. Anyway. Tell you what I'm gonna do. Listen. And rarely, well, we don't want the conviction, so we gotta do it that way. The $655 fines and costs and probation fees, when do you think you can get that paid?
Today.
You can pay all of that today? All right, here's what I'm gonna do. When are you headed to Texas?
My lease is over October 26th. So
Okay, hang on a minute. I'm changing this recommendation. You know, we put people on the deferred, we look for people to hopefully learn something from the process. And I don't know that some of what we do is necessary for you, because I think Nothing I could do, even if I sent you to jail, would beat you up more than you probably beat yourself up about this. That is clear to me. So I'm changing this. Instead of a 12-month prosecutor deferred, it's going to be a 3-month prosecutor deferred sentence. You're to pay $655 fines and court costs, $90 probation oversight fees. So you can pay that today.
Yes.
Pay that today. No use of alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal substance. You'll be subject to random testing as requested by probation. You're to complete a theft class. You're to do that within the next 60 days. You are to complete 25 hours of community service as directed by probation. I'll set a review hearing. What would be my review hearing 3 months out, Ms. Blair?
October 9th.
October 9th, 2024, 9 a.m. I'll order 365 days in jail, credit 1 day, the balance is suspended. That way, what we can do is you can have this all done before you go to Texas. All right, so you can go down there in that heat and start with a clean slate.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
See, when it gets hot up here and it's humid, it's like being a boiled peanut. Down there, she's gonna be a dry roasted peanut. Unless you get too close to the coast.
It is.
Then you get that humidity, and that's a special
You
kind
can
of
see the
humidity.
heat coming off the ground.
What?
You can see the heat coming off the ground.
Absolutely. I'm telling you,
I'm
it's
telling-
hot.
Oh, I know,
It's
but it's okay.
it's hot. No, you gotta like wear special shoes. Cause you wear like the regular shoes we wear, like you'll stick to the ground, you'll stick to asphalt. All right. You know what? She's gonna be trying to get out of a parking lot of a store, be stuck. And then she's gonna think about me saying, he told me.
He told me.
He told me, don't go. All right. All right.
I
Ms.
appreciate it.
Smith, you have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Tell your daughter from all of us, congratulations.
I will, thank you.
All
She
right.
knows who you are, because I ain't gonna tell you where she saw you at. TikTok.
No, you see, Ms.
Yeah.
Smith, you can't come up in court saying, my daughter knows you. No, you just can't be.
She saw you on her phone, and she's like, "This is where you going?" I'm like, "Yeah." She said, "That's him." I said, "That's it." That's okay.
That's why I call
Telling
in
you.
the shell each night and don't go anywhere.
She said, "Good luck." I said, "He all right."
Oh, he all right. Yeah, okay.
But thank you.
Ms. Smith and Ms. Polera, because she will have completed everything, do not waive her appearance.
No,
Because I gave her 3 months, she's gonna have to come back.
I have to. Okay,
Okay, thank you.
thank you.
You take care.
I promise.
That objection, August 13th,
Hold on.
2024.
Mr. Can I say something?
If you must.
Yeah, I had called the public defender's office last week, and I told them that I didn't want to be represented by Mr. Ballinger. They haven't got back to me. I've been calling and calling. Me and him had issues before, and I just don't feel like he'll be a good suit to represent me.
Okay, so here's how this works. The public defender's office is appointed. Until they say something different, Mr. Bellinger is on the case. You don't get a choice of which attorney you get to have.
Okay.
Thank you. August 13th, 2024, 9 a.m. Probable cause conference, bond continued. Thank you.
Thank you.
In this tense and emotionally charged probation revocation hearing, Andre Pittman stands before the judge for what turns out to be a deeply complicated situation involving competing loyalties, personal tragedy, and a dangerous pattern of domestic violence. Pittman was originally placed on deferred probation for assaulting his girlfriend Jasmine James, but violated that probation almost immediately by accumulating new assault charges, skipping required classes and community service, testing positive for marijuana twice, and failing to pay his supervision fees. His defense attorney makes a passionate argument for another chance at probation, revealing that Pittman's mother died unexpectedly during his probation period, which sent him into a severe depression, that he tested positive for marijuana only after his mother's death as a coping mechanism, and that Jasmine herself has written a letter to the court begging for him not to be sent to prison. The prosecution fires back with a devastating counter. Pittman did not just violate probation once, but accumulated an entirely new domestic violence case against a different woman named Patricia Harris, while still on probation for assaulting Jasmine, meaning he has now assaulted 2 different women. And his pattern shows he simply cannot control his behavior around women regardless of circumstances. The hearing becomes deeply uncomfortable when the defense tries to introduce Jasmine's letter supporting Pittman, and the judge pointedly asks whether Jasmine is currently in a safe place and whether she wrote the letter voluntarily without pressure from the defendant. Questions that hang heavily over the entire proceeding and reflect the court's awareness that victim support letters in domestic violence cases can sometimes be the product of fear or manipulation rather than genuine forgiveness. When Pittman is given a chance to speak directly, he delivers an emotional statement about his mother's death, his love for Jasmine, and his desire to better himself, but undermines his own credibility when he tries to minimize the Patricia Harris incident by claiming it was just a verbal argument. The judge cuts through every excuse and delivers a firm sentence of 4 years in the Texas Department of Corrections, telling Pittman directly that his pattern of behavior toward women is unacceptable, that losing his mother was genuinely tragic, but cannot excuse assaulting multiple women, and that the community deserves to be protected from someone who has demonstrated he cannot stop being violent regardless of what chances he is given.